Hi, this is Todd from thestringclub.com. On this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to make recordings, save them, and play them back. So I'm first going to go to the play along page here. Let's say I want to record a viola melody. I'm going to click there and then wait for the play along page to come up. Now I'm going to go down to minuet number 1. And once this page is up, I have a couple other things to do to prepare to record. One thing is that you really need to use headphones while you record, unless you have an electric violin and you can plug directly in. But if you don't, and you're just using a standard instrument, you're going to want headphones so that you can listen to the music and the metronome, but not have that come through on the recording. So get some headphones, plug them in, and then you can turn on the metronome right here, which is very helpful so that you can start exactly at the right time and stay in the right tempo throughout the entire recording. You may also have to set a level. The level control on Mac is in your system preferences under sound, and it's right here. You may need to adjust that. If it's too loud, it may have a distortion effect when you listen back to your recording. So try a few different versions at different levels until you find the one that's loud enough but doesn't have any distortion on there. So here's the record button. Once you're ready, go ahead and press that record button, and you'll notice in this case that a window popped up here saying the String Club wants to use your microphone. So click allow. Once you click allow, make sure you have your instrument ready quickly, because the notes will start moving after just a few seconds. So here we go. I'm going to make a short recording of the minuet. I'm going to go ahead and stop there. Now, if you notice, there were some colored lines sticking up down here while I was playing. That indicates that there was sound being recorded. And then once it's done, it shows you the waveform, again confirming that a recording was made. And you can listen to that immediately. Let me take the headphones out so you can hear. I had the metronome going and was listening to the music in my headphones. You couldn't hear that. So now, let's listen to the result here. Okay, I'll stop that. Now if I like that recording and I want to save it, then I click this red button right here. It should be noted that free users can't record at all. Basic members can record, but they can't save. So you can just listen back on any one session. But you need a standard or a pro account to save the recording. So you won't see this red button here. I'm going to go ahead and save that recording so you can see how that works. Now it'll take just a moment to save. In the meantime, I'm going to open up the track display button and scroll down here and look. You see that it has user recording, and I've already made one, so now it says user recording 2. So it said it saved successfully. Standard members can only record once per track, but pro users can record up to 10 per track, and so we need these numbers to keep track. Now I've already recorded one earlier, so there's the one listed, and it keeps track of the username, the date, and the time. So if I were to refresh this page, come back to this track information, it will say this information again with the new time. So I can keep track of which one is which is why it's great to have that pro membership, so you can track your progress over time. As I'm playing back, I can also adjust the volume. So if you have a volume setting of 0, there will be no adjustment, and a 4 is also no adjustment. But if you go lower than that, 3, 2, or 1, it reduces the volume, and then 5, 6, 7, 8 through 10 increases the volume. So you may want to do that so you can get the right mix. Now notice there's another viola part here. This one's presented as a duet. So if I wanted to, I could click this primary button here and play and record myself playing both parts of this duet, which is a lot of fun.